Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Trisha. I make cleaning, organizing, and lifestyle videos. Kung gusto niyo po yung mga videos na yan, please consider subscribing to my channel. Hit the notification bell down below to keep you notified every time I post a new video. And you can also follow me on my socials. Sa Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram, nagpo-post din po ako ng mga mini videos doon. Today, samahan niyo kaming mag-grocery. So this will be a grocery vlog. Pupunta tayo ng dalawang supermarket. So, yung isa, yung local supermarket dito sa New Zealand, and yung isa naman is yung Taiping or yung Asian market. Doon naman kami bumibili ng mga Filipino products na nakasanayan na natin na palaging nasa pantry or palagi nating ginagamit. So, meron akong konting listahan, tapos bibilhin natin yung mga items na kailangan natin for the month. Tatry namin na bumili for the entire month ng mga supplies, pero siguro sa pagkain, for the week lang muna kasi para hindi masira agad yung mga gulay, yung mga karne, para palaging fresh yung gagamitin namin everyday. So, by the way, it's a beautiful Sunday morning dito sa New Zealand. Mainit, kaya nag-shorts lang ako. Kung dito ka nagsistay sa New Zealand, mainit na siya. Pero kung nasa Pilipinas ka, alam natin na may masiinit pa dito. Samahan nyo kaming mag-grocery for this video. Ayan, so papunta na kami ngayon ng Asian store muna. So yung Asian store na pinupuntahan namin dito, Taiping. Meron namang Filipino store dito, yung Pino Plus, pero hindi kami doon bumibili ng grocery. Dito kasi sa Taiping, halos nandito na lahat ng kailangan namin. Yung mga gulay, meat, seafood, mga Asian products, and lalo na yung mga Filipino products nandun na. So, dun kasi sa Filipino store, dun mo makikita yung mga Filipino products na hindi masyadong sinusupply nitong Asian store, pero bihira lang naman kaming pumunta doon. Halos hindi nga masyado. So, dito talaga kami sa Taiping pumupunta. And nagdala kami ng basket kasi tatry namin na dyan na lang ilagay yung mga pinamili namin. Kasi dito, hindi na uso yung ipa-plastic bag pa yung mga pinamiling items sa supermarket. So, kailangan meron kang box. May mga boxes naman na available doon sa store or yung mga eco bags. So, yun. Parang wala nga ditong paper bag. Hindi sila nagpe-paper bag. So, sa trolley mo lang sila lahat ilalagay yung mga items na yun. Tapos, dapat meron kang lalagyan pagdating mo ng sasakyan. So, parang ganun yung nangyayari. Kaya, yun. So, ngayon, parang mga siguro 5 to 10 minute drive lang siya from our house, yung Asian store. And then, mag-grocery tayo doon ng gulay, ng meat, and ng Filipino items, yung mga kailangan namin sa bahay. So, yun. Yay!
I can feel it in the air. It's getting colder, but yet so warm. Before we know it, it's Christmas Eve. Christmas Eve. This year, I'm looking for something special. It doesn't cost a dime, but it's precious. Hope that I won't forget it, that I won't forgive him. No. Been thinking about you and me, another kind of chemistry. I got nothing on my Christmas list but you, but you. I love the snow and I love the scarves, the candles lighting the decade most. But something's missing. I wonder what. This year I'm looking for something special. It doesn't cost a dime, but it's precious. Hopes that I won't forget it, that I won't forgive him. No. Been thinking about you and me, another kind of chemistry. I got nothing on my Christmas list but you, but you. kita. Won't you forget about it? Been thinking about you and me. Another kind of chemistry. I got nothing on my Christmas list but you, but you. Been thinking about you and me. Another kind of chemistry. I got nothing on my Christmas list but you, but you.
Ayan, so tapos na kami sa Asian store. Konti lang naman yung kinuha namin na mga items doon kasi mamaya magluluto kami ng toge and ng lumpia. And then later this week, magluluto kami ng pinakbet. So naisip ko na magluto kami ng pinakbet for this week. Konti lang yung kinuha din namin sa Pinoy food section. Toyo, suka. So yun talagang dalawa. Tapos bumili din ako ng corned beef and ng sardinas. Kasi masarap yung sardinas pag weekend. Tapos breakfast. Tapos igigisa mo yung sardinas. Tapos lalagyan mo ng madaming kamatis. Tapos isasawsaw mo dun yung sliced bread or yung tinapay. So, masarap yun. Hindi ako masyadong kumuha ng chichirya, pero kumuha lang ako ng Moby kasi yun talaga yung isa sa mga favorites ko. Fresh talaga yung mga gulay dito. Actually, kahit dun naman sa, sa Pack and Save, fresh din yung mga gulay, pero mas madaming gulay para sa akin dito sa may Asian store. So mamaya magluluto tayo. Ngayon, papunta naman kami ng Pack and Save kasi yung ibang mga items naman bibilhin namin dun sa Pack and Save. So papunta na kami ngayon. So parang mga 5-minute drive lang din yung Pack and Save from the Asian store. Tapos uuwi na kami afterwards kasi magluluto pa and magpe-prepare pa ng food and mag-aayos pa ng mga pinamili namin.
Christmas lights are all around. I can see them now. It's like they spell your name. It's insane. Now we're back here once again. Holidays and cheer. But now I got my eye set on you. I'm not gonna play it safe. It's going down on Christmas Day. 'Cause I've been trying to tell you in every way. Yeah, I've been trying to show you, but somehow failed. I wanna have someone to hold. Walking through the falling snow. I've been trying to tell you in every way, but now I'll get it done. I'm not gonna wait and right around the mistletoe. I'm gonna let my feelings show. Always got you on my mind, but I know this time you're on top of my list. Only wish. And as we decorate the tree, only you and me, I'll be making plans, make you understand. I'm not gonna play it safe. It's going down on Christmas Day. 'Cause I've been trying to tell you in every way. Yeah, I've been trying to show you, but somehow failed. I wanna have someone to hold.
Ayan, so nakabalik na kami ng bahay and ipapakita ko muna sa inyo kung ano yung mga pinamili namin. Yung mga supplies na kailangan namin, bumili na kami for a month, pero yung pagkain, mga 1 to 2 weeks na grocery lang. So una muna, ito munang malaking box na to. Ayan. So, dito ko na lang ilagay. Bumili kami ng isang tray ng egg. Kasi less rice na ako ngayon. Egg na lang kakainin ko. Tapos, bumili din kami ng green beans para sa toge mamaya. And then, mga gulay. So, ito, garlic. Tapos, kalabasa para sa pinakbet. Mas mura tong malaking eggplant na to. Malaking talong. kesa dun sa pahaba na meron tayo sa Pilipinas kasi siguro baka ini-import pa yun. So, yan na lang. Ito parang $1.99 lang ang isa. So, ito na lang yung binili namin. Tapos, okra, medyo parang pabulok na siya. Pero ito na lang kasi yung okra na natira. Kamatis, string beans na super mahal. $5.99 tong konti na to. So, halos $6. Sprouted para mamaya sa lumpiang toge. Tapos, ginger. And then, bumili ako ng mga carrots. Kasi yung kalahati para sa lumpiang toge. Tapos, yung other half para sa lumpia. Coke mini. Pero, medyo nagbabawas na ako ng Coke. Pero, yan. Bumili pa rin kami. Tapos, ito naman binili namin to sa Pack and Save. So, bumili ako ng mga toiletries ko. Ito yung toothpaste na ginagamit namin. So, palagi nagkakaubusan nito. Specifically nitong baking soda kasi para sa akin, mas nakakalinis siya ng ngipin compared sa ibang toothpaste. Yung Colgate, mga ganun. So, ito talaga, Red Seal. Parang Australian brand ata to. Tapos, baking soda, yan ang palaging nauubos sa supermarket. And then, bumili din kami ng rubbish bag. Multi-purpose cleaner spray. Lagay na natin to sa cabinet. Tapos, bumili ako ng bleach, panglinis, body wash, and mouthwash. Yan, si Dennis mahilig mag-mouthwash. Tapos, ito, bumili kami ng lumpia wrapper or spring roll pastry. Dalawa yung binili namin kasi dalawang klaseng lumpia nga yung gagawin namin ngayon. Ito, patatas para sa corned beef. Konti lang na onion kasi ang lalaki ng onion dito. Tapos banana, syempre. Ito yung fruit na palagi namin kinakain. Gusto kong itry to. Garlic hummus. Yan, tatry ko siya kung masarap ba. Yan. Vanilla ice cream, French vanilla kasi gusto kong itry kung masarap. Lagay ko lang to sa freezer. Bumili kami ng karne. Tapos another sprouted kasi kulang yung binili namin kanina. Tapos, may nakita kaming galunggong. Ito nakita namin to sa Pack and Save. So, ang tawag pala sa kanya, sa English, scadfish. So, bumili kami ng galunggong. Bumili din kami ng shrimp. Ay! Bumili din kami ng shrimp. Ayan, 1 kilo ng shrimp ng sugpo. Milkfish, deboned milkfish para hindi na kami mahirapan. So, yung total namin sa both Asian store and sa Pack and Save is umabot ng mga $300 para dun sa mga items na yon. And yun, so ngayon, ang gagawin ko na, magluluto na tayo ng toge and ng lumpia. Tatago na natin tong ibang mga hindi natin kailangan for today. Uunahin ko munang mag-marinate ng lumpiang giniling para habang nagmamarinate siya, magluluto tayo ng lumpiang toge. Yun, so samahan nyo pa rin ako guys. Magluluto tayo tonight for dinner. Meron pa pala dito guys kaming nabili. Kaya pala parang sabi ko parang kulang yung binili namin. So bumili ako ng chips. Gusto ko itong itry kasi hindi ko pa ito natatry chips na to. I mean itong flavor na to. Pero masarap yung chips nila dito sa sa New Zealand. Tapos, bumili ako ng tissue. And then, bumili din ako ng white vinegar. So, itong white vinegar na to, hindi naman namin to ginagamit sa pangluto. More on sa paglilinis ko siya ginagamit. Tapos, bumili ako ng chocolate. Bumili kami ng oil, ng canola oil. And then, bumili din kami ng white sugar. Kasi wala na kaming white sugar. Ito yung calcium, ito yung binabaon ko na chocolate drink. So, bumili din ako. And ito din, bumabaon din ako nito ng rice crackers with cheddar na dip kasi masarap siya actually. Masarap yung rice crackers. Tapos, bumili din ako ng black peppercorns sa pangluto. And ito naman, masarap tong flavor na to actually, na honey soy chicken na kettle chip. Tapos, ito binili naman to ni Dennis dun sa Taiping, cracklings, and itong lala. Ito, yung Moby, binili ko. Ayan. So, I think, yan na yung mga pinamili namin. Tapos, yung toyo, suka. Tapos, bumili din pala kami ng pansit canton. Ayan, ito. Kasi, pag halimbawa, gusto mo ng snack, magpapansit canton ka lang. Lalo na pag nagki-crave tayo, diba? Tapos, ito, KitKat. Binabaon ko din tong KitKat mini na to. Okay na siya pampatanggal ng gutom. Ayan, so yan yung mga ibang mili namin. And naayusin na namin siya maya-maya. Pero, for now, magluluto muna tayo ng toge. Magdi-dinner na kami. Anong oras na ba? Magsi 6 p.m. na. So, kailangan na magluto. So, luto muna tayo.
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the windows in the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You and me. Doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, and that's what we do. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the windows in the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You and me. Doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart. Wanna fall in, rain is pouring. Wanna Christmas in my heart. Wanna Christmas in my heart.
I can feel it in the air. It's getting colder, but yet so warm. Before we know it, it's Christmas Eve. Christmas Eve. This year, I'ma give me something special. It doesn't cost a dime, but it's precious. Hopes that I won't forget it, then I won't forgive it. No. Been thinking about you and me, another kind of chemistry. I got nothing on my Christmas list but you, but you. I love the snow and I love the scarves, the candles lighting the decade most. But something's missing. I wonder what. This year, I'ma give me something special. It doesn't cost a dime, but it's precious. Hopes that I won't forget it, and I won't forgive it. No. Been thinking about you and me, another kind of chemistry. I got nothing on my Christmas list but you, but you. Santa, won't you forget about it, Santa? I won't forgive you for it, Santa. Won't you forget about it? Been thinking about you and me, another kind of chemistry. I got nothing on my Christmas list but you, but you. Been thinking about you and me, another kind of chemistry. I got nothing on my Christmas Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh. La, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, 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 la. Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree. And I lit my house with Christmas lights. So you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh. La, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, 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 la. Making our Christmas memories. Yes, these are the good times with you. Don't even care what we do if I spend it with you. Just you and nobody else. It's so good to see you again. To see you again. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire, chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, yeah. I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories.
So, tapos na kaming mag-dinner and now, we're going to get ready to sleep and maliligo na lang kami and then mag-prepare ng mga gamit para tomorrow sa work kasi Monday na naman bukas, work na naman ulit and yun. So, thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope you liked this video. Kung may mga videos po kayo na gusto nyong gawin ko, comment nyo lang po dyan sa baba kasi I'll try my best to do them. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel if you like this video and follow me on my socials as well. Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Nagpo-post din po ako doon ng videos. Thank you so much for watching this video and I'll see you on my next Vlogmas video. Thank you. Love you. Bye.